Hi, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a Degustabox for you. However, the box got very soggy. So I'll show you what I had to do. I just had to lift out the insides. I haven't opened it yet. You can see it's all still packed. It's just, it got very soggy being left on my doorstep. And so I had to lift it out. So we're just going to go through it. Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. I think it's like $11.99 a month. I think if you sign up for more months, you can get it cheaper. This is paid for by me, not PR. Everyone that signs up gets their own discount code. So if you sign up, you will get a discount code. If you give that to somebody and 2 people use your code, you'll get a free box. So this is a free box because 2 of you lovely people have used my code. So it always has a theme every month. The themes are usually shit. Let's have a look. The theme this month is breakfast and brunch. That is the theme. So we shall see. I've literally just the first thing I've seen. Breakfast and brunch, people. Are we breakfast and brunch? Are we ready? I'm like 97% sure that in the Degustabox offices, they have like a huge wall of just different themes that they could possibly do. And then someone stands with a dart, closes their eyes and just fucking throws it. And they're like, this is what it is this month, regardless of what is in the box. That is neither breakfast nor brunch. I love it, but it is neither breakfast nor brunch in anybody's world. Unless you're Willy fucking Wonka. Yeah, lovely, but not breakfast or brunch. Oh, the next one, we have something that is breakfast. We have cereals. This is a Dorset cereal, Simply Delicious Muesli with juicy dates, seeds and crunchy Brazils. I'm going to put this in the food bank because we're not going to eat this. These are always really expensive though. How much is this? £3.39, and this is, how big are you? 650 grams. That's a lot of money. Dorset cereal Simply Mueslis are made with juicy fruits, crunchy nuts for a delicious breakfast with more goodness and more pleasure, all high in fibre and vegan, which is nice, but we won't eat that. So I'm going to put that in the food bank. Next, vegan mayo. I suppose you could put that on a bacon sandwich if you were that way inclined. Obviously you're not going to put vegan mayo on a bacon sandwich, but you know what I mean, a bacon substitute sandwich. Or I don't eat mayonnaise, so I have no idea what you would put that on, but that's maybe okay for breakfast or brunch. This is £2.60. It's just vegan mayo. This is going to go in the food bank because mayonnaise is rancid. Next, again, it looks good, but it's not a breakfast or brunch food. It's crisps. Who has crisps for breakfast or brunch? Like, they're called Human Nature Smoky Barbecue Flavoured Pea Rings, which are, where are you? I can't even see them on the thing. Oh, there's different ones. I could have got jalapeno ones. £2 a bag, hot jalapeno and lime flavoured lentil sticks, smoky barbecue pea rings or caramelised onion pea rings. This is the flavour I least like out of those, but obviously they don't know what everyone likes, so it's just luck of the draw. And I'm sure these are delicious. Our plant-based snacks are good for you, and they contain 13 grams of protein, and they are good for the planet as well as the pack we plant. Every pack we plant a tree. Crispy caramelised pea rings are made with a melody of peas, caramelised onion and paprika. Smoky barbecue pea rings are crafted with a mix of peas, onions, chipotle, tomatoes and natural seasonings. And our flaming hot lentil sticks are made with red lentils, onion, lemon, spices and jalapenos. That sounds incredible. I'm going to buy some of those. You should receive 1 of 3 items in your box, and they're available at humannaturefood.com. Who is texting me? Oh, it's a lady about a cat tree. Yeah, it's literally 9:45 in the morning, and I have to be in the mood for anything barbecue, so I'm not opening those. But what have we got next? Ryvita Currant Seed and Oat Fruit Crunch. I suppose you could have these stretch for breakfast or brunch. £1.99. Say goodbye to boring snacks. Our Ryvita Crunch is a Moorish sweet treat, perfect with lashings of chocolate spread or drizzled with honey. Whichever way you choose it, just remember to stack it and snack it. Again, that's going in the food bank because we're not going to eat those. But I'm sure someone will like them. What have we got now? Porridge! Almond butter and salted caramel. That sounds delicious. Moma or Mama. I never know how to say that. £1.15 a pop though. That's a lot. Considering this is £3.69, which is expensive. But you get like probably 10 or 12 portions in there. And that's one. For £1.15. Almond butter salted caramel porridge are perfect for the indulgent vegan gluten-free breakfast on the go, made with their signature blend of British jumbo oats. Simply add water, stir and wait 3 to 5 minutes. That will definitely get eaten because it looks delicious. Hip oat milk chocolate salted caramel. Again, not entirely sure how this is breakfast or brunch. This is £1.50. That can't be £1.50. That's got to be for the big bar. It says £1.50. Hip chocolate was born out of a desire to eat tasty quality vegan chocolate produced in an ethical and planet-friendly way. Salted caramel mini is a modern day classic. Creamy oat milk with sea salt and caramel. Let's try it. It's quite cute. There's a little tiny bit of salt. It's nice. Yeah, it's okay. I've got some oat milk. I like to have some kind of plant-based milk in my cupboard at all times in case someone comes around that doesn't like dairy milk. So this will get used. This is another Mama or Moma barista oat milk. Carefully crafted oat drink pairs perfectly with coffee. Made in the UK with British oats. This award-winning oat drink is not from concentrate, fully foamable and non-splitting. They use high-quality whole grain oats in their drinks and they're fortified with calcium, iodine and vitamins D3, B2 and B12. £1.90. That will get stuck in the cupboard and used at some point. Oh yeah, you know when you're like, oh, you know what I really want for breakfast? Fucking stock cubes. What? What? I'll use them, but it's not fucking breakfast food. Fit Bakes Millionaire Cake. That's weird. I was looking at these the other day. These look really good. I wanted to try these. Millionaire's Cake. This is £1.50 for this. Fluffy vanilla sponge covered with a layer of signature sugar-free caramel. How do you have sugar-free caramel? Caramel's made of sugar. And milk chocolate. Perfect mid-morning, afternoon snack. Source of protein. It's tiny. It's tiny. £1.50. Basically one mouthful. Sake. I could literally look. Not even a challenge. Not even a challenge. Glad I didn't buy any of those. Ugh. It's no, it just tastes very, very artificial. I have instant regrets for that. Last up we have some ketchup. Leon Tomango ketchup. We get a lot of compliments on our breakfast muffins and the Leon ketchup is a big reason why. It's not just for muffins. Created using cumin, mango and sun-dried tomatoes to make every day an adventure. This is brand new mangoed ketchup in 2023. I like the bottle. Shall we? Can't be worse than what I've just stuck in my mouth. It smells a bit like mango chutney. Oh no, it's good. Oh my god, that tastes like curry sauce. That's fucking amazing. Oh, you have saved the box. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm having a sandwich for lunch with that fucker on it. That's amazing. 10 out of 10 for that. Yes. So we've got most of the boxes going to the food bank. I think the one that's pissed me off the most is the stock cubes because what the fuck. They'll get used, but what the fuck. So thanks for watching this angry unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. And I love you. Bye.